Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from DaretoBeCreative. Thank you so much for stopping past my channel to check out my video. And I want to thank you who've ordered from my Creative Memories website. Thank you so much. And I just have a small haul today. And some of it is a mystery bundle as well. And I will show you those items. I did pick up some of our foam squares, and they are in the small and the large. And again, everything I'll show you, I have the link below in the description box, so you can go right to it in case you're interested. I got some of our micro scissors. I've always liked trying to find a nice pair of good fussy cut scissors. So this is what these are. Nice handle, nice grip, nice and soft. And I love, for fussy cutting, you want to have a small narrow blade that you can get into the crevices and that can cut at the tip, not just at the base. So I'm excited to have those scissors, and they come with a cap as well. I also purchased these fill and file sleeves. These go into a folder. Oops. And I use these to store my borders that I punch out. And so these are the 5-pack, and it has 4, so it's 2.5 inches wide by 4, so you can put your borders that you bake for your scrap of pages in here. So that was just for some organization. And then what I ordered also was this border punch, which is called Canoe Wave, and I will show you what that looks like. I already punched it out. It's part of our border maker system, and so this is what it looks like. It actually punches out, and you have a different colors paper. These are canoes. You can have different color canoes in here. You can back it with a different color, or you can use the canoes separately. But anyway, this is the Canoe Wave. And then I also received the blueprint. And that is a border punch. It's a decorative border punch, and this is how that punches out as well. So you can see this would be great on a layout for someone that's in the military, someone that is doing a walk, someone who's overcome some adversity, anything like that to do with walking. You can use this. So walking, standing, defending, those type of things. So it could be anyone that fits into that. Somebody that's serving that country, or serving humanity, like I said, or military, serve this country as well. And so I really like the blueprints, and also somebody's hiking, camping, those kind of things. And this goes nicely with our paper collections that we have on our website right now. So blueprints, I love our punches, I love our tools. They're known for the different types of tools. And then I did pick this up. This is the Heart to Help. This paper right here is a promotion that we have going on, and all the funds totally go to Ukraine. So if you're interested in helping them, this pack of paper, all the proceeds, like I said, go to them. So if you're interested in supporting or some kind of way, that's a way to do that, by purchasing this pad of paper. Now, the colors are also their colors, and the flower is the sunflower, which is also in this paper pack. I love the colors because they're nice and springy. And this is a 12-pack of paper, double-sided. And it's called Heart to Help. And again, the link will be below. And so you can see these are like yellow drawn hearts. If you can, my lighting is terrible, but it's a nice lemony yellow. And then on the black, you got some blue, different shades of blue hearts, little small, like Swiss dots, but they're actually hearts. Now we have some yellow, what I would say Swiss dots, right here with the white Swiss dots on it. And on the back, you see this yellow hash print, and it looks like it's kind of like hand drawn, so it kind of looks like a fence. Some blue stripes. And then you have some yellow and blue, look like they're drawn with a crayon, kind of a feel. Just some hash marks. And then here's some like tally marks, different sizes. Nice geometric background. And then you have some small sunflowers. Nice spring. This will go great with a bee punch as well, which I would love to use for that. And then you have this blue micro, not quite the Swiss dot pattern because it's more random and some of them are more clustered. It looks than Swiss dots, but this is dotted if you can't see it. And then this, they looks like gears on top of some squares or little purses or gift bag tags. It depends on how you look at that. And then you have some blue with the white Swiss dots. And then you have some sunflowers, which these would be great to be cut out. Like I said, I can see the bee punch going along with this as well. And the honeycomb border punch, border cartridge as well with that. So again, if you're interested in helping the Ukraine, or you just like the colors, the blue and the yellow, they were my school colors, so I was just drawn to this when I started. I was like, oh, they were my high school colors, blue and gold. Anyway, then they had a promotion, and if the promotion was, they're moving, they're expanding their facility, and so they are looking for a bigger facility, and in the process, they were having a little bundle, and in that bundle, you get several things which you included. They knew it was going to be paper, some embellishments, some stickers, a tool, and an album. So with that, you know, I took advantage of that, and I think it was, yeah, so yeah, you get all of that for that price, and it was guaranteed that this would be the one thing that you would get. Everybody would at least get this, which is called Cool and Candid Designer Paper Pack, and again, 12 sheets. And this is a nice green shade. And I will show you what I got. And then the rest of the items would be leftover stuff that they had in their warehouse that they're clearing out as they move. So this is a paper pack just for this collection. This is Cool and Candid. So everyone who bought the mystery box gets this. So this is like a light mint. Actually, it's a little lighter than a mint. But you see cameras in the white. And again, these colors are not doing it justice. It's like 2 o'clock in the morning. And then on the back side, you see some same colored green, but these are stars on that side. Then you've got some green stripes. And then these have some hexagons, the outlines and the colored ones that are filled in different sizes. Then you've got this nice geometric print. I can't remember the name of this print, but you can see the little hashes. It looks kind of like triangles, very masculine, but neutral. And then like a larger Swiss dots pattern. Your plaid. Stripes with tally marks. And it has like an ombre effect. And then over here, these are like little dots with circles on the inside. And these kind of like, not speech bubbles, but that's what it makes me think of. I want to say like sea urchins. And then you got some more cameras. So like those nice shades of green. And again, that is called Cool and Candid. So if you got the bundle pack, that comes with it. So everything else I'm going to show you was unexpected as to what it was going to be. Like I said, I knew it was going to be some paper, some embellishments, and well, I didn't know it was going to be additional paper, but I knew it was going to have at least this one paper pad. I knew it was going to be a tool and an album and an embellishment. And so I got stickers and some paper to go along with it. So first I'm going to show you what I got, which I already have this. This punch is called Campfire, and I'll show you what it looks like punched out. Like I said, I already have this one, which I like, because it punches out, makes it look like, you know, some campfire. And that's the actual size of it. I need to sneeze. And our punch is a really nice tool, so that was great to get that. So it makes it very economical with what you're getting. This went along with the Botanical Burst paper collection, and it's great to always have flowers. And not only that, it's embellishments. You have flowers in here. Some are gold foiled, and then you also have the flat back enamel pieces, and then the raised pearls as well. So flat backs and then the raised ones, and you have those in different colors. And like I said, you have this goes along with the Botanical Burst, the orange collection. But again, you can use these flowers on anyone. So any paper that would match with it, you can use it on. It doesn't have to be with just that collection. And it says 66 foiled and embossed die cuts, 16 pearl stickers, and 32 enamel dots. That came in here. So there's various types of flowers and leaves, as you can see. Oops. Trying to get this out the way. And then I'm going to show you this next collection, which I got two pieces so of the next collection, which somebody could really make a layout with, because you have the paper and the sticker set. So first I'm showing you the sticker set. This is called Joy to the World. So this one came out this December. Well, it came out before December, but it's part of that. So here's some of the sticker sets, which I don't celebrate Christmas, so I will be hopefully selling this to someone. And here's the stickers that go along with it. And this is called Joy to the World. Nice greens and reds collection. And I will show you the paper that goes along with these sticker sets. So with this collection, again, it's 12-pack designer paper, double-sided. This is a nice minty color right here. And so this paper actually could be used for anything. There's only like one piece of paper in here that I think really screams seasonal. But other than that, I think all the rest of them you don't. And again, you can't see that this is green. You cannot see the shade up here. I don't know why, but like I said, it's the middle of the night, and I guess my lighting is bad. So you see that. And this is like a school paper. And you got your little plaid. And this is the only piece I think that really screams seasonal, because it has the wreaths and the peppermint and the snowmen and the mistletoe and the musical notes and the gingerbread and the snowflakes and the candlelights all in the back. So this page clearly is seasonal, but the rest of them are not. I mean, not like that one. Although you can tell that these are winter papers. Like this, you can tell it looks like, I guess you could say the berries on the holly without the leaves, or just some red kind of spongy looking looks. And then over here, of course, you can see your poinsettias. And so your poinsettias, you know, can be seasonal as well. But I'm saying as far as like the holiday itself, it's not as bold. And this one does have, looks like ornaments on it on this side. But again, it could also look like a geometric pattern. And then you got the buffalo plaid. I like that page. Then you have this nice navy color with some little triangles in it. Some little prints, geometric. You got your argyle on the other side, which again, this is a great piece for a Mills card, Mills layout, you know, very traditional. Then this looks like some arrows going opposite directions. And then on this side, you have some mistletoe. So, like I said, even though this is Joy to the World, more of a Christmas collection, there are, for the most part, you can use this just for any masculine or fall collection. It doesn't have to be just for the holiday. But it was nice that mine came with a collection that had something to coordinate with it. So you have the paper and the sticker collection. And then the last thing that came along with it was this wonderful album, which was for our National Scrapbook Day with the bee. We had the bees and the honeycomb items in the paper to go along with this. And yeah, it's a pretty nice album. I like this. And of course, our albums you can get customized on the spine. You can get customized covers as well. So yeah, if you want to put your name, the dates, different stuff on it. And this one is called 2022 National Scrapbook Day album. So I was excited to get that. So all of that was in my decorative bundle. Again, the campfire, the album, the Joy to the World, Joy to the World stickers, and the botanical embellishments, and the cooling candy paper pack. So all of that was part of the mystery bundle, and then the other items that I ordered. So anyway, thank you so much for taking the time to stop by and check out my album, check out what I ordered. Again, please check out my website. And again, thank you so much for those of you who have ordered some things from me. I greatly appreciate it. If you have any questions about any product, you could email me or leave a comment below. My information will be in the description box, as well as my website. And that is my name, DaretoBeCreative. So if you go to creativemembers.com/DaretoBeCreative, you can find me. Thank you so much for liking, watching, and subscribing. And I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.